Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week. Guys, if you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week I went ahead and picked up this baby right here. This is going to be the Schrade Delta Series Pay Dirt Shovel. So I went and picked it up because I was looking for a compact shovel. I'm going to be doing some outdoorsy stuff, and of course it is a tool, so I'm going to be using it as well. So this is how the box is going to come with. I ordered it on Amazon. This puppy is going to set you back at $33.50. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. And here you're gonna have it, guys. It's going to be this little shovel. It's pretty nice. You're gonna have 1680D polyester sheet, and of course you could connect it to your belt, or if you have a molly pack, something like that, you can connect it, which is very nice. So let's go ahead and take off the sheet, and there's a sheet that it's gonna come with, and here you're gonna have it. So this is going to be it. Let's see if we can zoom in a tad bit. You're gonna have the logo right here, and it is a folding shovel. Now whenever it's folded, the actual length on this is going to be about 10 inches. All you have to do is unscrew this little knob right here, and once you unscrew it, you're going to be able to open it up all the way. You're going to screw it back down, and once you screw it back down, you're going to make sure it's tight, that way it doesn't lose grip. And once you screw it back down, it's going to hold its form right here. Now the form right here, the actual length on this length is going to be about 17 1/8 of an inch when it's open. And all you have to do to extend this little lever, you're gonna pop it up. Let me see if you could see it. Lift it up. Once you lift it up, you pull this out, and then once it's set, you push it down, and here you're gonna have it. This is going to be it all the way extended, and when it's extended fully, it's going to measure about 19 3/4 of an inch. Now if you look at the metal, the actual steel on this is going to be 3CR the blade, and you're going to have some jagged teeth in case you have to saw cut something, or you're going to have a nice sharp edge if you could see it, and you could also sharpen it in case you got to cut something or just to break it. Another feature that I also like about it is that when you loosen it up, you could also set it as a digging little hove, and you could have it like that and start digging in case you have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see how this works. And another reason that I purchased it, just because it was compactable and I could pack it in a backpack or in a outdoorsy bag and have that set for me and ready to go. So once you have this, you go ahead and put it back in the sheet. Now it is going to set you back for $33.50. Let me know if you're using a different shovel, and if so, what other recommendations you have. As always, guys, thank you all for the support, and thanks for watching One Tool a Week, guys.